Hi guys, welcome to today's video. I'm Kumar from 10x Flow SEO. This is the second part of our SEO dashboard tutorial series. In this part, we are going to look at how to connect data sources to Looker Studio. Let's jump to the video. Right. As we all know, Looker Studio is only a data visualization tool. To visualize, we have to give data to this Google Looker Studio. Normally, data are stored in different external sources. We have to connect those sources to Looker Studio. To connect them, we use connectors. There are two types of connectors. Google connectors. There are 23 Google connectors. They are almost free, and partner connectors. Often there's a charge for each connector, and or you have to buy some premium packages of that service provider to use them. In this video tutorial, I'm only using these free Google connectors to build this SEO dashboard. Okay, now let's see how we can connect these data sources to our Google Looker Studio report. First of all, we have to go to the Looker Studio. So I am Googling Looker Studio term, and the Google Looker Studio link is on the top of the search result page. I'm clicking on this and it will bring us to the Google Looker Studio dashboard. Here we can see some options. I wish to create a report from zero. The first thing we have to do is create a report. That's like a project. Actually, a report like something like a Google Slides or PowerPoint presentation. So to create one, we can use this blank report option or create and click on this report. If you wish to start with the template, there are some options. You can browse them, the template gallery here. And there are different type of templates for each of platforms, so you can use to speed up the process. But in this project, I'm going to use the blank report and build everything from straight off. So I'm clicking on this report option to start a blank report. When we are trying to create a report, Google asks us to connect our data sources with this report. That's the first thing we need to do, because without connecting data sources, we can't visualize anything. They have given us connect options. First, Google connectors. There are 23 Google connectors for each of platforms, and partner connectors 836 for various different platforms. Uh, right. Most of the time, they are paid. These Google connectors are almost free. I'm going to demonstrate you how to connect these sources by using different three different connectors. First, I'm going to use this Google Sheet. Before connecting a Google Sheet, I have to create a separate Google Sheet. If you have already data filled Google Sheet, you can use it. I'm going to start with new one here in Google Sheet. I'm creating a new sheet like this. Let's see your data. This is empty. No data is here. I just found it. Now I am clicking on this Google Sheet connector. Now in this part, they give us a chance to select the Google Sheet. We can filter all the sheets using these options. And if I click this on by me, that means this list are the Google Sheets which I have created as your data, and shared with me, start URL. You can use these options. I'm going to use this URL option because it's easy for me to copy this URL here like this, and we can paste it here, and Google will automatically locate the sheet. That's SEO data. They have selected it, and click this add option to connect that data source. Okay, that's how we can connect a data source. Actually, Google Sheet as a data source. You can see in this data panel, you can see the Excel sheet icon. That's the data source. We have already connected. Let's connect another two data sources to see how we can do it. Now the connectors options are gone. How we can get it back? In this toolbar, main toolbar, you can see add data option. Click on that and it will bring us the same screen we used previously to connect Google Sheet. Now I am going to use this Google Analytics as a data source. Click on that. Now they are showing us my Google Analytics accounts. Yeah, I'm using this MEC one and the properties. I'm choosing this Google Analytics 4, this property, and click this add here, add button, as we did before. Now, yep. Now you can see the analytics icon is here. That means we have connected this data source. So, and I'm going to add another one, add data. And from the list, I'm going to add Google Search Console here. You can locate it, Search Console. Click on that, and here in the sites, I'm going to get the data for MEC, and I want the site impressions and the web, and click on this add. This is my third data source, and you can see the Google Search Console icon is here. That means it is connected. That's how we can connect data sources to this report. We can rename this report by click on here and SEO Dashboard, right, like this. Now we know how to connect data sources to Google Looker Studio.